What's going on, folks? Moving picker back again. Happy Stock Lock Sunday to everyone. Also to all the people in America, happy 4th of July. Today I'm mostly testing out a new camera mount, so nothing impressive for the stock locks. Just a couple plastic body master locks. I don't even know the model numbers of. So yeah, I'm gonna knock out a couple of those. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Haven't really picked on anything since my last batch of videos uploaded. You guys saw them one at a time. I made them all in one night, so I haven't had time to do anything else since then. That's probably been a couple of weeks ago now. So we'll see what happens with this. Hopefully I can pick it open and not get embarrassed. I can get off that warding. Everything's always bound up when you're trying to pick warding. Get off that warding. I'm just hoping for an open and not to embarrass myself too bad on these. Anybody who's on my Discord server, well, not my Discord server, it's the communities. They know what's going on and what I've been up to. Try to get on there every day. But if I'm feeling energetic enough, I'll post a picture of the new camera mount at the end of the video. If not, it'll be something that you can come join Discord and see, because I've been posting pictures of it as I've been prototyping it. Now this is just revision 1 of actually printing it. But I've been prototyping a couple of different designs of it. Come on. There we are. You guys will have to let me know how this camera position works out. It's a little different for me. It's really far forward. Because if I'm back where I like to be, you guys get a real close-up. But it's not on my tripod anymore, so especially sitting with it in front of me, I actually have room to work. I decided to go with a cantilever type system. So I've got a couple of extra American locks hanging off of the other end of it on a piece of pipe I had laying around. There we go. Getting back in the swing of things there. It was either that or mount it to my 3D printer and have it running above and give you guys an overhead shot, but the only problem with that is there would have been a really bad shadow. And I mean like right through the middle of my work area, because I've got a light overhead. So if you look and see, my shadow pretty much comes straight down. So let me know what you guys think of the new position. I'm sure the audio is completely different because I don't have the external mics. I don't have all the fancy equipment. My camera does my recording for me. It does everything I need it to do. And yeah, I'm not gonna go out and buy, one of these fancy high-dollar mics to hang somewhere or to wear on my shirt when I don't need it. I'm not a big channel. When I get big, maybe. Probably not. Who am I kidding? But yeah. So, link to Discord is in the description. I don't know if I'm posting the designs for the camera mount yet. I might not, I'm not sure. You guys think it's a good idea? Let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the mounts, because literally I can move my hand underneath the camera completely and nothing to worry about. So y'all let me know what you think. Until next time, have a good one, folks.